Hello students, we are going to complete our lesson second. The name of that lesson is The Sound of Music. The Sound of Music lesson has two parts. One is Evelyn Gallene, a deaf girl. She was a deaf girl and after it she was the famous musician. And the second part is Bismillah Khan. And Bismillah Khan, everybody know about Bismillah Khan. Bismillah Khan was a famous Sehnai player. So we are going to read our first part. Some part of the first part is left. Some passages of the first part is left. So we are going to start the lesson. So we were in passage 7. Let's start passage 7. As for music, she explains, it pours in through every part of my body. It tingles in the skin, my cheekbones, and even in my hair. So here Evelyn explained that how does she identify music. It creates sensations in her skin, in her cheekbones, and even in her hair. When she plays the xylophone, she can sense the sound passing up the sticks into her fingertips. So every part of Evelyn's body responds to music. Every part of her body. And when she plays the xylophone, she uses sticks and she can sense the vibrations of the sounds produced by the xylophone pass through the sticks up to her fingertips. She can feel the music. Yes, she can feel the music in every part of her body. And when she was playing xylophone, yes, she can feel the xylophone music in her fingertips. And by leaning against the drums, she can feel the resonances flowing into her body, her body. So, on even Evelyn plays the drum. When Evelyn plays the drums, she leans towards the drums and she can feel the echo flowing into her body. On a wooden platform, she removes her shoes so that the vibrations can pass through her bare feet and up her legs. So whenever Evelyn performs, she performs on a wooden platform and she removes her shoes so that she can feel the vibrations of the musical instruments pass through the floor into her feet and up her legs. That is how she can feel the sound of the musical instrument. Yes, so इस पैसेज में हमने पढ़ा है कि वो बॉडी के हर पार्ट में म्यूजिक को फील करती है. क्या उसकी स्किन, क्या उसकी चिक बोन्स, क्या उसके हेयर, और क्या उसकी लेग्स, क्या उसकी फिंगर टिप्स, हर बॉडी के हर पार्ट में वो म्यूजिक को फील करती है. नेक्स्ट इज, not surprisingly, Evelyn delights her audiences. In 1991, she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. Yes, so now Evelyn is a delight to hear. She gives very good solo performances in the year 1991. And she was presented with this award. And she was presented with the Soloist Award. And who gave that award? Royal Philharmonic Society gave Soloist Award to Evelyn for her solo performance. And yes, it was a prestigious Soloist Year Award, 1991. Yes, says master percussionist James Blades. Master percussionist James Blades saying that what? God may have taken her hearing, but he has given her back something extraordinary. And what we hear, she feels far more deeply than any of us. That is why she expresses music so beautifully. So now James Blade is a master percussionist, and his words were the ones that we read before we started reading the chapter. According to James, according to James Blade, according to James Blades, God took away Evelyn's hearing ability, but in return he gave her a strong power of sensing sounds, which enabled her to become a great musician. Evelyn confesses that she is something of a workaholic. Yes, workaholic mean, it is given here, workaholic mean a person who finds it difficult to stop work. Yes, a work harder. Yes, so Evelyn is very hardworking. She does not stop working. I have just go to work. I have just go to work. Often harder than classical music, classical musicians. So now, to be at par with those people who can hear, who are classical musicians, Evelyn works very hard than them. But the rewards are enormous. So, but the rewards are enormous. Enormous mean, what is the meaning of enormous? Big. So Evelyn says that the awards she gets for her hard work are huge and big. Apart from the regular concerts, Evelyn also gives free concerts, free concerts in prisons and hospitals. So Evelyn does charity also. She gives free concerts in hospitals and prisons. She also gives a high priority to classes for young musicians. So she also takes classes for young musicians, for those children who want to learn music. Anne Richel of the Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children says she is signing inspirations for deaf children. They see that there is nowhere that they cannot go. So Evelyn is an inspiration for all. She is an ideal. And Richelin, who belongs to the Beethoven Funds for Deaf Children, says that Evelyn is an inspiration for those children who cannot hear. And when they get to know Evelyn's story, they feel that they can accomplish everything. They can fulfill all their dream. Yes, in this passage हमने पढ़ा कि वो काम ढूंढती रहती थी, उसे काम चाहिए होता था, वो काम की उसकी आदत लग चुकी थी, और वो काम की आदत लग चुकी थी तो उसके लिए उसको बड़े बड़े म्यूजिशियंस थे, वो भी उसके साथ काम करते थे, वो लोगों के लिए डोनेशन का काम भी करती थी, फ्री कॉन्सर्ट्स भी वो करती थी, जो बच्चे म्यूजिक सीखना चाहते थे उनकी वो क्लासेस भी लेती थी, तो वो बहुत अच्छा कर रही थी. तो एन रिचलिन जो कि बीथोवन फंड फॉर डीफ चिल्ड्रन के सोसाइटी के या एक जिसको हम इंस्टीट्यूशन कहें उसका एक मेंबर एन रिचलिन ने कहा था कि वो अंधे बच्चों बहरे बच्चों के लिए एक इंस्पिरेशन है. Evelyn Gallene has already accomplished more than most people twice her age. Yes, so Evelyn Gallene has achieved so much in life that those people who are double her age have also not achieved those many things, that much popularity and those many awards as Evelyn has done. तो एवलिन ने वो सब कुछ पा लिया था एक छोटी सी उम्र में, जो उससे दुगनी उम्र के लोग आज तक नहीं पा सके थे. She has brought percussion to the front of the orchestra and demonstrated that it can be very moving. And orchestra, when she was in orchestra group, yes, you people who are playing different musical instrument, and generally the percussion instrument like the drums and the xylophone are placed at the back end of the orchestra, or they are placed at the side. But as Evelyn performs solo, she gives special performances with these percussion instrument. The percussion instrument have come in front of the orchestra. She has given inspirations to those who are handicapped people, who look to her and say, if she can do, I can do. Yes, and not the least, she has given enormous pleasures to millions. So Evelyn's story is an inspiration to those people who are physically disabled. They feel that if Evelyn can achieve her dreams, even they can. So they also can achieve the dreams. They also can be a great musicians like her. And Evelyn has given a lot of pleasures to her audience by playing such good music. Yes, we have done first part of lesson second. We knew more about Evelyn Gillian. Music was her life. She was nothing without music. She was a good girl. And she plays the music for charity also. We knew much about that girl. So today you will get some question and answers of this lesson. You have to write in your fair notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.